How to sign into Postcode Lottery account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can sign into your Postcode Lottery account. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser. I have opened Google Chrome. Now, you want to search for lottery.co.uk. Once you land on this web page, you want to tap on the sign in option. That will take you to this login portal. Here, the first step is to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, next you want to enter your password. Make sure that you have entered the correct password. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the link that says Forgotten Your Password in order to reset it. Now, tap on the Login option. If your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can simply tap on the register option, enter your details such as first name, surname, email address, password, and then tap on the register option to create your new account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.